Okay, we are starting this. So today we are gonna discuss about bitwise operators, binary numbers, how to convert them, and the relation between binary numbers and what if we give some input, what the output we get, and all. Okay, and I will be talking about the if else statement. Like we will make a simple basic calculator if we will like give some input, it will give output as sum of numbers or multiplication of numbers, like something we're gonna make it, and I will try to keep it like of 1 hour, like we will not make it like for 3 hours or 4 hours. Okay, and in bitwise operators what we are gonna discuss: nor get, um nor operation, XOR not operation, and operation, or operation, XOR operations, and their symbols, and also left shift and right shift. Okay, yeah, that's it. And not getting late in video, let's start it. Okay, hello everyone. This is this is take two, because in my last take, my energy was like so down. I don't know how it went like that down. I will, if you are interested, I'm gonna add that part of when my energy was like so down. I'm gonna add in like 2 minutes of that part in the ending of the video, so just check it out. But now we are I've tried to make my energy better, and I'm gonna make it again. So like what we are gonna discuss, what I was discussing about how to convert a number into a binary number. Okay, it's like very interesting. So what is actually binary number? Binary number is the form of 0 and 1. Okay, so it is just a representation of a number. Okay, it is just a representation for computer. Okay, like computer can't take the numbers as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 99, infinite numbers. So what it do, it converts number into form of 0 and 1. Okay, great, it converts the number into 0 and 1. But how it converts the number into 0 and 1? So what the what our in scientists have done is, um, they got they got like one number. Okay, 2. Okay, they have noticed that if we divide any number with 2, we are just getting two reminders. It is or else a 0 or 1. Okay, so with this they got this logic that they would have got that uh, we can represent a number in binary form using this trick. Okay, like just let me show you this. Okay, just let's take 4. Okay, 4, how you will show this in 0 and 1 form. So if you divide this with 2, you are gonna get quotient as 2 and remainder as 0. Again, if you divide this with 2, you are gonna get like quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. So what they have decided is, till you don't get like when you are gonna divide this number with 2 again, let's take 5. No, let's take 6. Okay, if you're gonna divide like 6 with 2, you are gonna get quotient 3 and remainder 1. So let it be, no, remainder will be 0. Okay, 0, 3. So again, divide the 2 with quotient, now you're gonna get like 1 as remainder and 1 as this, what we say, quotient. So so what the professors or scientists have decided that, they have decided that till you don't get the quotient as 1, you have to continuously divide the number with 2. Okay, and if you got like quotient as 1, now just add all the numbers. Okay, let's take a bigger number. Okay, for a better understanding, let's take 9. Okay, so yeah, we have took 9. Great. So we are dividing with 2. If we divide this 2, yeah, we are gonna get like remainder 1 and this is 4. Again divide with 2, remainder is 0, this is 2. Divide with 2, this is 1, this is 0. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna write all these numbers in a form. Okay, 1 0 0 1. Great. 1 0 0 1. Okay, great. I got this. Like, okay, like I'm like I have like little bit doubt, but I think I'm getting this. Yeah. Okay, let's for a better understanding, let's take one more example. Let's take 12. 12, no, not 12, not 12. Let's take 13. 13, yeah, 13. If you divide 13, the remainder will be, I want all numbers should be used. Let's take 15. 15 will be the best presentation, I think. Okay, let's take 15. 15, if we divide this 15 with 2, remainder will be 1. We will get question 7. Again 2, remainder will be 1. And here question will be 3. And this is 2. This remainder will be 1. And question is 2. 1. Okay. So what the rule says, till you get the quotient 1, you have to continuously divide the number, like divide the number with 2, like whatever quotient you are getting, just divide it with 2, and wait till you get the remainder 1. So okay, you got the remainder 1, great, write it all in a sequence. So let's take 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is the rule. I hope you got this, and I hope that you got this. That why we are using this. We are using this so that computer understand that okay, like whenever we write a Python, in a Python, whenever we write we give a number like 15, 16, 17 or 2. What it do is, first it in backend, I am saying about the backend process. Python first convert the number into binary form. Okay, then it add it in binary form, then it shows us result in integer form. Okay, so the all the process is actually working in backend. So just for the better understanding for you what is happening in backend, we have to learn about the binary numbers. Okay, this is a better this is the basic understanding that I got, that why we should learn this binary form. If you have like some more information regarding this, just share with me in comment section. Okay, so great, like we got like how to convert into a number into binary form. But bro, if you got 99, what you're gonna do, you're gonna do like if you, let's leave it 99. If you got like 999, like if you got like a bigger case, what you're gonna do, you're gonna like divide it with like 2 like it will, like we will get mad. Yeah, you're correct, like yeah, really we will get mad. So what we will do then, so for this, let's take an example of 15, right? So in 15, just see it. Okay, this is the 15. Okay, so in 15, like you can see this, like don't you think this number is representing 2 power 0, which is equal to 1, and this is representing 2 power 1, which is equal to 2 again, and this is representing 2 square, which is equal to 4, and this is representing like 2 cube, which is equal to 8. And yeah, and if you add all this number like 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, we are getting like 15. Yeah, I've just, don't you notice this? And all, yeah, okay, but bro, it just can be luck. It's not that I don't think this is gonna get applicable for every number. Yeah, it may be. So let's take another number. Okay. I am gonna like, okay, let's ask ChatGPT a random number. Like I'm like let's ask ChatGPT for a random number of 2 digit. Okay, like if you don't trust me, like if you are thinking that I'm just doing cheating, I'm just taking the values that I know. So uh, for this I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, okay, give me a random number of 2 digit, and that number we are gonna write it in this form. Okay, so okay, what random number? Okay, it gave us like 11. Okay, first convert it, first let convert 11, then we will like then I'm gonna choose number. I'm gonna choose like 69. I'm gonna convert 69 because 69 is something which is like very great. Okay, 69 not, let's convert in 73. Okay, so 73 will be greater. Yeah, 73, we are gonna convert 73. So first let's convert this, what we say, 11. Okay, so let's convert 11. 11 is sum of 1, means 1 plus 2 plus 8. Oh, it was like so easy. 8 is representation of 2 cube. This is 2 power 1 and this is 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is like first option, so 1. This is second option, 2, and 2 square is missing, so keep here 0, and this is 2 cube, this is 1. So yeah, we got our answer. This is 1011. Great. So let's take 73. 73 is like 73, 72. Let's, this is 1, like for sure we should add with 1, and 64. 64 is 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 is 64. 64, 65, what is missing? 8 is missing, means 2 cube. So okay, 2 power 6 is 1. 2 power 5 is not there, so keep 0. 2 power 4 is not there, keep it 0. 2 cube is present, keep it 1. 2 square is missing, keep it 0. 2 power 1 is missing, keep it 0. And 2 power 1 is present, so keep it 1. No, so 2 power 0 is present, so keep it 1. Okay, so the binary representation of 73 is 1001001. No, bro, I don't trust you. Okay, great, you don't trust me. Just let's ask Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we can ask Visual Studio Code by this form, bind x. Let's run this. Okay, we got our output 0b100. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, we got our output 0b10. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, this I am so sure that this part is gonna be visible to you. So you can see 0b10010001. Okay, we got the same output. Okay, I hope you are satisfied with this. And still, if you are not satisfied with this, just go and check it. Like take 1000, take 2000, take 3000 values. Like take a 4-digit value and just add it. Okay, like I can show you a 4-digit one, but I don't wanted to make this video so long. So for with this I'm closing this topic. But yeah, let me briefly say what I've said, okay. So yeah, okay, what we have discussed now, I'm gonna tell you, like I'm gonna just give you a brief introduction. Okay, so yeah, let's say 72 no, 69 no, 53 no. Okay, got it. So what I've said is, if we take any number x, we can represent this x as sum of 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus till we don't get this x. Okay, till 2 power a. Okay, till we don't get this x, we can represent like we can get this x with the sum of this numbers. 2 power 0, 2 power 0 means 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 power till 2 power go on till we don't get x. Okay, so if in that case if the 2 power 0 is used, represent it as 1. If 2 power 1 is in use, keep it as 1. If it is not in use, keep it as 0. Okay, same with 2 square. If it is in use, keep it as 1. If it is not in use, keep it as 0. Same with 2 cube. If it is in use, 1. If not used, 0. Okay, and if you want an example, I am gonna give you an example. So let's take an example of 64. Okay, in 64, no, not 64, 64 is like 2. Let's take 99. Okay, so in 99, 2 power 6 is 64, and okay, let's take 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is like 32. So 64 32 is like 96, and 96 means 2 plus 2 power 0, which is 1. Okay, so here 6 is present, 1, 5 is present, 1, 4 is not present, 0, 3 is not present, 0, 2 is not present, 0, 1 is present, 1, 0, 0 is present, 1. 1 is present means 2 power 1 is present. 2 is not present means 2 power 2 is not present. 3 is not present means 2 power 3 is not present. 0 2 4 is not present means 2 power 4 is not present. 5 is present means 2 power 5 is present, and 6 present means 2 power 6 is present. Okay, I hope you are getting this. I hope you have not have any doubt on regarding this topic. Okay, and please comment me down if you are having any doubt on this particular topic. Okay, I don't want anyone to have any single doubt on this topic. Okay, like the remaining part is like totally based on this one, so I just hope you don't have any doubt on this. Okay, and if you have like a single doubt on this, just ask me, don't hesitate for asking doubt. Okay, great. So okay, so now what we have next we have operations. Okay, like in this we have four operations. Okay, we are gonna discuss about four operations. One is and another is or, and another is XOR, and another is XOR, and another one is not, and what we have left, and this left shift and the right shift. Okay, we are gonna discuss about all these topics. Great. So first representation of and is this, and this. XOR is like this, and not is like this. Okay, for this you will have like I will let me show you this on Visual Studio Code. So I am talking about this one. Okay, yeah, this symbol is, I hope this symbol is visible. Yeah, like I have like zoomed it like max. This is the last. Okay, like you can't zoom it like more. Okay, you will get this symbol beside like left side of one and above the tab option. Okay, on your keyboard. Okay, and if your keyboard is like not the normal keyboard, I can't help with you this. Like I've showed you the symbol how it looks, and I've tried to draw it, but leave it. Okay, I'm not getting that. So yeah, these are the symbols for the operations. So let's talk about this AND operation. Okay, these are the symbols, but when you write the operations, we only use these two symbols, and In this we write these statements, okay, and or a statement, okay. When I'm gonna use this statement I will show you, okay. So yeah, like for this I'm not gonna like, okay, we'll try. Still now I've not done the practical experiments on this. Till now I've just completed my theory on these topics, and I'm just explaining you the same theory that I've got, okay. So I'm like, for the practical part I'm gonna learn with you the practicals, okay. So if I make any error in the practical part, like I've got like an idea that we can use this operations, like what I'm gonna explain you, we can use this in this part and I'm gonna make something, okay. If that work out, it's great, and if does not work out, just take it lightly, and just don't make fun of me, okay, for that, okay. So yeah, where were we were discussing about the operations, okay, logical operations. So yeah, let's first discuss about and. So what and means, you can represent and with into, okay. And also I have one logical thing for this, okay. And means if both cases are satisfying, okay. Let's if the case is satisfying, let's represent it with 1, okay. And if the case is not satisfying, let's represent it with 0, okay. So if like let's represent, let's say we are writing like two statements, and two statements should be true, okay. Like say let's say, like I'm not getting the question reminder, okay. I have discussed about it, okay. Let's say I want to buy a computer and I want to buy a camera, okay. So yeah, what and means, okay. So if I'm not gonna get camera, I'm also not gonna get like computer, okay. Like this is the statement, like okay. Let's take it in a better understand way, okay. I will go to school if I complete. No, this will be the example of if statement, not and statement. And statement, I like, I'm not getting the example. I just hope you understand this, that and means both the statements should be true, then only it is gonna get run, okay. Like if the statement 1 is true, like it will get 1, okay. And if the statement 2 is like 0, like if it is false, the output will be like 0, okay. Like you're not gonna get any output, okay. And if the first statement is 1 and second statement is 1, you will get the output 1, okay. And if first statement is 0 and second statement is 0, you will get like 0, okay. I hope. And in binary form it will be like so easy. So in binary form, let's take 5, okay. This was the logical form that I wanted to explain you, because this may be useful in if you will write like a statement condition, and if you want like if we got like two statements, and if you want like two statements should be true, then and operation can be used, okay. So let's take 5. So 5 is sum of 2 square and 2 power 0. 2 square means this is 1, and 2 power 1 is not in use, so take it 0. And 2 power 0 is in use, so take it 1, and here it is 0, because yeah, sorry, I forgot you to say the main rule. So what we call this is, we call this as a bit, okay. This is bit, okay. This only one is bit. This is 1 bit, this is 2 bit, this is a 3 bit, and this is 4 bit, okay. This is bitwise operations, okay. So if you are representing any number, like let's say 5, 6, 7, 99,000, any number, you have to represent it in in like you can represent it only in 2 bit wise or 4 bit wise or 8 or 16 or 32 or 64 bits. Okay, like okay bro, let's say I've got like 33 bits. So now what are gonna be my remaining 31 bits? That remaining 31 bits are gonna be 0. Okay, like let's say you got like a 30 let's say you got a operation of 9 bits. So how you are gonna represent 9 bits? You are not gonna write like only 9 bits, you are gonna write 16 bits, in which the 7 bits will be like 0 and remaining 9 bits will be like 1. Okay, let's take example of 8 bits. Like you got a operation of 5 bits. Okay, 1 0 1 0 1. I'm taking a random operation. Okay, now if you want to calculate this, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 3, 2 4. So 4 3 24 25. This is representation of 25. Okay, you can also go, yeah, you can also convert this binary numbers uh, into real numbers just by seeing this. Okay, this is 2, this represent 2 power 0 means it is equal to 1. This is equal to 0, leave it. This represent 2 square means it is equal to 4. This represent 0, this is 0, leave it. This is represent sorry, this represent 2 cube which is 0. This is 2 power 4 which is equal to 16. Okay, 16 plus 4 is 20, 21. Okay, sorry, 21. Yeah, 21. But yeah, see, like this also you can convert binary numbers into this form, but in that remainder format you like you can't convert it. And yeah, like some students also have this habit, like I'm just saying, some students whatever their teacher taught them, like what their habit will be, that no, I'm not gonna follow this teacher's habit, like teacher's format, I'm gonna upgrade it or I'm gonna change it, some I'm gonna make some changes in that and I'm gonna follow that timetable, that format. Okay, so yeah, if you want to try to make some changes, you can just go with that. Just try to make some changes. I'm not gonna stop you with for that, because I also make so many changes whatever my teachers teach me, but I will give you a suggestion. Okay, so whatever changes you are making, just make sure that the change you're making is easier than this one. Okay, because sometimes what happen is we take like some, I'm now I have not this like, but when I was like 4 years back, I used to have this, that if teacher is teaching something, what we do, I used to take it on my attitude, like I used to be like, if he's teaching this pattern, I'm not going to use this pattern, I'm going to make my own pattern and I will use it. And the pattern that I used to make was like so order than the pattern that sir is teaching. Okay, so yeah, please don't do that with you. So make sure that whatever, if you're making like some another operation, like if you're trying to find some another trick for this, just find it out and just use it and see, let's see what is like less time consuming. Okay, which is like less time consuming, it will be like easier part. Okay, so just save your time in whatever process you can do. Okay, sorry, uh, let's come back to the topic. Where were we? Yeah, so this was like 5-bit operation, so it will represent in 0 0 and 0. This will be like this will become like 8-bit operation. Okay, so I have to represent 8-bit or 16-bit or 32 bits or 64 bits. Okay, this is one rule, line, very important rule. Just make it like remember, and it's not that hard to remember. Just you have to, you can represent number in just form of 2 power something. Okay, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 2 cube, 2 4, 2 5 something. Okay, you can just represent in this. And if you're getting like 16-bit 15-bit case, remaining numbers should be like 0. Okay, great. So yeah, this is like 101 and this is 1 bit, second bit, third bit and fourth bit. Okay, we were talking about AND operation. So this is 1, so 5 For 5 we have 0 1 0 1, and for 6 we have 0 1 1 0. So what AND operation says, if 0 and 0 it is 0, if 1 and 1 it is 1, 0 and 1 it is 0, and 1 and 0 is 0. You can also compare this logical statement with into. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 0 into 1 is 0. Okay, so we got this as output, and this output is 4. So the output for 5 and 6 is 4. Okay, let's run it uh, in this 5. Okay, I'm just checking it if this work or not. So what I'm gonna write the statement is 5 and 6. Okay, let's see. So it should be like output should be 4, but we got like output as this. Okay, so like let's keep this y equal to 6 and a equal to x and y. Okay, print a. Let's run this, and still we are getting 6. Okay, I would have done any mistake. No, I have not done any mistake. So yeah, as I said you, I have just practiced it in as a theory part. I have not went for practicals, so I don't know how to represent it in practical. So this may be a reason, but let's try. Let's give it a last try. Yeah, we got this. So yeah, this is also represented with and. Okay, sorry, I'm like learning with you, but yeah, like as I said, I'm not done the practical part of this. I've just completed the theory part, and I'm just explaining it in the best way that I can. Okay, yeah. So this represent and. So here you have to use this symbol. Just see this symbol. Wait a minute. Yeah, this one and. So yeah, and operation is this. If you want like a bigger number, you can take by your own. Just the basic thing is, if you are writing this, you have to convert a number into binary form, like 5 and 6. Let's say 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7. 7 is 0 1 1 1, and this is 0 1 0 1. 1 and 1 is like 1, this is 0, and this is 1, and 5 and 7 also is 1 0 1. Okay, so 1 0 1 is 5, so output is gonna be 5. See, we got this output as 5. I just hope it is visible to you. Yeah, where it went. Yeah, let's run it again. Yeah, 5. See, this is the 5. We got the output as 5. Great. 32 minutes. Just end operation. Okay, sorry. I will try to keep it like I'm like you see my habit of over explanation. Okay, so let's discuss about not get. Not no no. It's like it's not get. It's or get. Okay. I am using this gate as a instead of operation, because you remember in 12th semiconductors chapter it was the same concept. That's the reason that I'm always getting gate. Okay, it's not gate, it's operation. Okay, or operation. So this is represented with this symbol. Okay, this one, this. Okay, or operation is represented with this, and or is like addition. Okay, if I add 0 and 1 you will get 1, or if I add 1 and 1, this is the only exception you are having is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 1. How it is how means it is just that the rule it is following, that you can only have 0 and 1, and 1 plus 1 obviously it can't be 0, so it is 1. Okay, uh, I'm just giving you this just to remember this one. Okay, so OR gate is like, in two conditions, one conditions at least should be satisfied. Okay, like for this I think I have one option for, if I want to go to college, like, okay, so you can, what you can do is, if you want to do some work, give two conditions. Okay, if you want to do some work, you need time or money. Okay, so here it is like or. Okay, yeah, it is best example for or and. Okay, if you want to, become a pilot, you need money and time. Okay, so here two conditions are satisfied. Okay, if you want to start a business, you need a time or money. Okay, time or money. Why time or money? Okay, time is just to learn new skills and build your own money, and money is just to start earlier. Okay, so you need time or money to start a business. So yeah, this was the example that I can give you. So let's come back to topic. So or is like this, and let's try it in binary expression. So again, let's take another operation. Let's take 9 and 11. Okay, so 9 and 11. For 9 we got 8 and 1. 8 is like 2 cube, 2 square is 0, like 2 square is not present, 2 power 1 is not present, and 2 is like 1 is present, so it is 1001, and this is 1011. Bro, you made like directly 101. Obviously 10, this was like 9, we have to just add 2, so 2 power 1 is 2, so I have just kept here 2 1. Okay, so for this, if we use here or, we are gonna get output as 1 0 1 1, which is equal to 11. I don't want that. Okay, let's take another one. What we can take, let's take here, like, no, I'm not gonna take like 9. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let's take 1 1 0 1, and this is 1 0 1 1. This is 8, and this is 4. 8 plus 4 12, 13 and 11. Okay, great, 13 and 11. And the output, if you use 13 or 11, we are gonna get output as 1 1 1 1, which is equal to 15, and we have discussed this in the starting part of the video. Okay, so yeah, and if I'm going very slow, sorry for that, because like when I was like, so like when I was weak in studies, then my one complaint used to be that the sir is like so fast. So I make sure that if I'm teaching something, I teach it like very slowly. Okay, yeah, like what the output we got this. Okay, 13 or 11 is this. No, then let's see what we'll get. 13 all. Okay, so yeah, again it's showing some error, and this is also not represent with this. Yeah, I remember, I got it. Actual representation of this is this one. Yeah, 15. Okay, sorry, my mistake. The actual representation of 13 or operation is this. Okay, I actually forgot this. I've learned it like before 2 3 days back, so I forgot that. Or operation representation is this, not this slant line or not this slant line. Okay, this slant line is this slant line actually this slant line is used for next line operation. Okay, let me make sure this, no, actually this slant line is used for next line operation. Okay, if you do this and this, then it will go to next line. Okay, this line, and where this slant line is used I don't know, but for our operation the straight line is used. Okay, I actually forgot this, but yeah, we got our output as 15. Okay, 15, we got our output. Great work. So yeah, now next what? Next is like OR operation. I hope you got this. You have to just add numbers if it is like 0 and 1. um, let's make table for this. Okay, OR operation, you can search for OR operation table, you will get that. Like, see, let's make a table. So yeah, this is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, if this is 0 0, you will get output as 0 1 1. This is 1 0 1 or 1 0. For both, you are gonna get output as 1. Okay, great. So I hope you got this. Now the other operation is XOR. It is like XOR. Okay, so what XOR represented by this symbol. Okay, and so this symbol is on 6. Okay, keep shift plus 6, you will get like this symbol. Okay, where this is used. So okay, if it is like 0, if it is like 0 and 1, like, okay, it is if there are like opposite numbers like 0 and 1 and 1 and 0, you will get operation as 0. Okay, and if it is like same numbers 0 and 1, it is 0, and if it is same number like 1 and 1, you are getting 1, and 0 and 0, you are getting 1. Okay, bro, I have not got this. If 0 and 0, it is 1, and if it is 1 and 1, it is 1, but if it is 0 and 1, it is 0. It's like so confusing. Okay, so don't get confused. Surrogate means you can make it like understand, like you can remember this in the same, in the pattern, that if they are same, they are positive. Okay, and if it is positive, it should be 1. Okay, it can't be 0. And if something, if they are opposite, they are negative. Okay, and negative should be always 0, like negativity should always be 0, so it should be like 0. Okay, I just remember this with this, and I made this logic while having glass, and my glass was like 2 3 days back. So just you can say that this logic works. Actually, it works. Okay, so XOR gate is like best. So yeah, like now the main operation is like NOT gate. Okay, so NOT gate is like insane, and with this our 1 hour 43 minutes got completed. I wanted to give this a short video, but yeah, it became little longer, so it is represented with this. Okay, what it does actually. Yeah, wait a minute. I got a back problem. Great. My day is bad. Okay, so what this not get represent? So not get is like let's say. Okay, so not get is like I'm saying you don't worry. I know this. Like I'm not getting how to explain you this. Okay, so not get, what does it mean? It means if you give like some input. Okay, if you're giving this input as let's say 5, what it will do is it will add 5 plus 1, and here it will give output as minus, so it will give output you as -6. Okay, this is gonna happen, and if this is, if you give it input as 6, okay, not 6, not 6 means the output you will get as -7. So what is this, bro? I'm not getting this. So it is like that. You can say this as what happen is, like in Python you can't write, like you can't give input as negative numbers. Okay, if you want like any number in output as negative, you can't give input as negative, so you have to use this form just to give it, just to get a negative output. Okay, great, bro. I got like this, but why we are adding +1? We are adding +1 because we got in middle, we got 0. Okay, um see, if we give input as 6, the opposite of 6 is again 6, but here one number is like extra, which is 0. In middle it is 0, so for the reason we are adding 1. Like, sir, I have not said this, I'm just making my own logic, and I'm just explaining you the logic that I made. Okay, I just remember things by making my some own logics. You can also do that. You can also like make some of your own logic, like anything. You can make it understand. Okay, bro, I got it. Let's see practically. So okay, like, so we should get output as 14 or -14. Let's run it. Again I made some mistake. Great. Again, yeah, see, we got this as 14. Where it is? Here it is. Yeah, -14. I hope it is visible to you. If it is visible, just say me. um, okay, this, till this part, yeah, it should be visible to you. It will be visible to you. -14, right? Yeah, yeah, we got -14. Yeah, yeah, this part is visible to you. I made sure this. Okay, great. So yeah, bro, great. The logic is great, but what the logic? I have not got the logic. Okay, so what to get to know about this not gate? What you have to do is, like here we have two options. So 5 not gate is like 6, right? -6. So for 6, binary representation is 0 1. It is like 1 is 4, and again 2. Okay, let's 2 square is like 4, and again 2, and this is 0. Okay, so what it do is, uh, it converts 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. Okay, not gate, this not symbol converts 0 into 1. Okay, 1, this is 0 and this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, great. Now what you have to do is you have to add 1 to this. Bro, if you add like 1001 with 1, wow, it will like be terrible, right? We will get 2 and it's not true. So yeah, it's not true, but do you remember like see, if we had like 191, what we have to do is here we have to write 0 and we have to carry out this 1 to another symbol, and then we have to add 1 and 0, and we will get that like 1, and this is like 0 and this is like 1. So 1010. Okay, now we have to convert this into again, we have to like convert 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. We will get like 0 1 0 1. Oh sorry, 0. Yeah, okay, we will get like 0 1 0 1. And if you can notice this is a binary representation of 5. Okay, so let me tell you the total circle what is happening in real. uh, in real what happening is first 6 we convert it into binary form, and after converting it into binary form we convert 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. Okay, this is not good. Okay, so after converting 0 into 1 and 1 into 0, we add 1 to that. Okay, why we are adding 1 to that? In formula, remember, if you give any input to that input as input, in output you will get like input plus 1 whole negative. Okay, so for that reason we are adding 1. And if there is like 191, what you do is you write here 0 and you carry out this 1 to another another upper segment, and you add 190 and the sum of 190 is 1. So this is the reason we wrote here 1, and 0 is obviously 0, 1 is like obviously 1. Now again what you have to do is 1010, you have to convert it into you have to convert 1 into 0 and 0 into 1, and after converting this you will get this, and this will be like equal to 5. Okay bro, great, like so great, but I have like final doubt. Okay, my doubt is, if this is 5, this is minus 6, and we are getting minus 6 by adding 5 plus 1. Okay, so logically if you want 5 back, you have to like add like minus 6, you have to add like 6, you have to subtract with 1, like okay, like 6, this is a binary representation of 6, right? You have said this. So 6 minus 1 will be equal to 5, right? So you have to add like minus, you have to subtract this. Why you are adding this? Are you like what happened? Like this you can get doubt, right? But you are making one mistake here. You are forgetting that this is negative. So for getting 5, what we do is like to minus 6 we add plus 1, it becomes minus 5. Okay, so minus 5, and because Python don't understand this negative, it doesn't take this and it just take this. Okay, so with this logic you are getting this 5. Okay, I hope you understand this logic. Okay, okay bro, great. I got the back end of this part, like in minus 6 first we are converting into binary form, and the whatever binary form we are getting first, we are converting all the zeros into 1 and 1 into zeros. Okay, and then we are adding 1 to that, and if we add like 1 and 1, here we have to use 0, and we have to carry out this 1 to another number, and we have to write it down, and for 0 0 and for 1 for 1. Okay, and now after getting this 1010 like final output, we have to again convert it into like binary form. Okay, so we are like converting 2 times. Okay, for like say 0110, we are converting it into like 1001, and again to 000101. Okay, so bro, my final doubt, why we are converting, like why can't we like directly add this? Okay, So it's a like good dot. Okay, so if 0 1 1 0, why can't we add like directly 1 to this? Why we are first converting this to this, then we are adding 1? So bro, listen, if you will add directly to this 1, what happen is this will become like, this will convert it into 7. Okay, and if you convert like, I hope you are understanding. And we here we are like doing, like we are converting one to 0 and 0 to 1 like two times. Okay, so in like in this two times conversion, like whatever the 0 is, like let's say you took like 8-bit operation, actual output is like 5-bit operation, and you took 8-bit operation, and if you will convert it only like 1 to 0 and 0 to 1 only for one time, what happen is like the remaining three which was zeros, they will get converted into 1, and the value will go like somewhere like, I hope you are understanding this. Like, let's say 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 8 is 256. Okay, if you like don't convert this pattern like for two times, what will happen is this will become like 256 plus 128, like 128 plus what you said is 64. Okay, so unwanted values. So if you don't want that, you have to again convert 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. This is the logic that we again convert it into this, and we get this as equal output. Okay bro, great. Okay, if you give 5, we get that output as -6. Okay, yeah, but my final doubt, okay, like if why we are converting 6, why we are not converting 5? Because the main logic should be connected with 5, not with the 6, right? First we are converting 6 into binary form, and this actually, if you are writing, if you are gonna write exam, just do this, because this is the traditional form, you can't make any change with that. But what I have done is I've just played a reverse. Okay, okay, I have just reversed the process. Okay, here we are adding 1, we will subtract this to 1. Okay, so I am gonna show you my process, what I have done. Okay, and it may be work, it may get work for you, or it may not get work for you. So okay, and like it, and like my sir also have said that this may be not be working for every number, so I'm just gonna check that. Okay, so 0101. Okay, let's convert it into binary form, like it will become like 1010. Okay, this is like not operation, and 1010, we are doing this -1, this will come here, this will like become 0 0 0 and 1. Okay, 0 1 0 0 1, this will get like 1 1 1 1. Okay, I made any mistake. What mistake I made it? 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0, this one will get carried out here, this will become like 0 0 0, this will become like 1 1 1, which is equal to 7, and it is like 6. My mistake, like I have, like let me check my notes once, because I also wrote it in my notes. I would have done a mistake. Okay, great. Like it is like so embarrassing that I'm checking my notes. Yeah, wait a minute. 7 8 5 15 6 4 9. Yeah, -1 is like 1001. Okay, I just made a syntax error and nothing else. Okay, and yeah, let's check me it once. Yeah, I just made a syntax error, nothing else. Like, yeah, let me check the timeline. I'm gonna edit this 58 minutes. Okay, so yeah, 1010. Like, what mistake I have made is -1. So if we transfer 1 to 0, it will become 1, and 1 and 1 subtraction, here we get like 1 as output, and it is like 0, and this is 0, and this is 1. Okay, 1001, and 1001 is like 0, okay, 0110, which is equal to 6. Okay, so yeah, now I got this. Why sir said me to use like traditional form, because traditional form is the easier form, and the form that I got is like we can forget some things. Okay, addition is like so simple, and subtraction is always get complicated. So yeah, just I'm just gonna follow the rules, traditional rule, but I was just checking this. Okay, and just for your confirmation, I'm gonna chat GPT that in binary form, if we subtract numbers, what we get. Okay, so that if there is any dot in your like or anything, that how 1 minus 1 is like 1, for that I'm asking it. Okay, like in binary format, subtract 1010 minus 1. Okay, so let's see what we get. See this. Okay, so if we subtract 1010, where it is, yeah, it became like so big. Okay, if we subtract 1010 with -1, 1 get carry on here, and 191 will become 1, 1 minus 1, and this will become 0, this will become 0, and this will become 1. Okay, I made one error, like as I said, I can't remember things out. I have to make stories to make them remember. So yeah, this only one error I made. So yeah, and like I'm still feeling so embarrassing for that how I made this mistake. Like, and to be frank, that I'm not practiced anything for this part video. Like, actually I was going to bed, and I was thinking, okay, let's sleep, let's see tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But when I was going to like sleep, then I thought, no, if I decided to make a video now, I'm gonna make it now. I'm not gonna like prepare like so much well, because wow, like my thought is that if we like if we go like for so much perfection, we also can't give the output that we want to give. Okay, um so I have decided that I am not gonna go like for so much perfection. Like, whatever we have, we are gonna do with that. Okay, so yeah, like, let's see what is time. It became already 1 hour 2 minutes. So this video is gonna get dedicated to this bitwise operators. Like, I don't want to make like so longer video, and let's discuss about this if else statement. And okay, what I'm gonna do is in next video, I'm gonna make one video in all the loops. Okay, I'm gonna make video one for while loop, for the for loop, and for this if else loop. Okay, I will make a separate video on that. and here I'm gonna close with this, what we say, bitwise operators. Okay, so our last two operators is shift left. Okay, so what this shift left is do. Okay, so this is like the most complicated part, you can say this. So let's convert first this into binary form. Okay, 0101. Okay, so if this is a 4 bit operation for shifting to, you have to take like extra more 4 bits. Like if it is like 8 bit operation, I have to take like 16 bit, and if it is 16 bit operation, take 32 bit. If it is 32 bit, 64 bits. Okay, so in this left shift, what we do is, if here it is a number like 2, right? If it is 2, we are gonna do this, we are gonna shift this last two numbers to here, and we are gonna write it as 0 0 0 1 0 1 right? Right, so 0 0 0 1 0 1 okay. So what is this? This is like 2 power 0 is this is to 1. This is 2 power 1 or 2 square, it is 4. This is 0 0, leave it. 2 power 4 cube 8, this is 16. So okay, if it's 5, the left shift of 5, like see, if the number 5 is left shifted with like for with this 2, we are gonna get output as 20. So first let's check it, then I'm gonna explain you it, like then I will be like explain you it in a better way. Like 5, so left shift right 2, let's run it. 20, great. I hope this is visible to you. Okay, 20, I got this output. So yeah, 20 is correct. So let's say, like let's see what I've done. So nothing, like this 5 is like 4 bit operation, right? So it's a rule that how much bit operation it is, you have to take like extra double of that bit. Okay, like if it is 4 bit operation, take 8 bit. Okay, if it is 8 bit operation, 16 bit, 16 bit operation, 32 bit, 32 bit operation, 64 bit. So why so? It is why, because the rule says that if here this number is like 2, so you have to shift this last two numbers at the starting part, and you have to calculate it out. Okay, if this change get happens. Okay, and if here we like if here will write like a tree. Okay, let's say here we got a right tree. So what will happen is, this tree numbers will get here, and the output will be like this. Okay, and this one will become 8, and this will become 32, and our output will be like 40. Okay, if you want to check, just check it. So yeah, see, we got the output as 40. Great. So I hope this 40 is visible to you. If it not visible to you, just comment me out, because no, like why taking risk, I will show it to you. Yeah, this is like max what I can do. So this is the 40 hour output. So yeah, this I hope this left shift is like you got this. Okay, what this left shift do is, whatever it is in left side, it shift to the end of like right side. Okay, and on my digit is shift, it shift the number of digit that you mention here. If you mention here 2, it will shift like 2 digit. If you mention just 1, it will like shift only 1. Okay, so what is the use of this? Great question. What is the use of this operation? So yeah, this operation uses like I will say it in future. And if you know some uses of this operation, just comment me down because I don't want to make this video like so longer. Okay. So I hope you got this left operation. So left bitwise operation and right bit is like little bit easy actual compared to this. So in right bit like you're not doing anything. Okay, like 5 greater than 2. So if it is like 1010, if it is like right shift 5 greater than 2, it is gonna cancel this, and 01 is 01 and the output is 1. You want to check it, just check it out. So like see, if I write this run 0, oh yeah, wait a minute, this I forgot this 2, you're gonna get output as 1. See, we got output as 1. Okay, I hope you are getting me. So it just cancel out, it doesn't shift like it doesn't shift 01 to this side. Okay, why doesn't it shift? Because it doesn't shift because like see, you can take like infinite shifts. Okay, like infinite bits. Okay, it's not, it have no rule that you have to take just 4 bit or 8 bit or 16 bit. You can take like infinite bit. Okay, and if you will turn this 01 to, if you just change this 01 to like at that side at infinite number, the output will become infinite, and so it will like be, it become like so complicated that you can't even calculate it. So just to make the thing simple, what this right shift do is just it cancel out this and you get this. So what is use of this? Use of this is in simple you can say, if you want to edit your number in some form, you can edit it like easily with this. Okay, you can also, if this become 5 greater than 3, this start bit also will get cancelled out and you will get output as 0. Okay, see this, yeah, you got this output as 0. Okay, so with this bitwise operations are completed and our video was like 1 hour 11 minutes. It's is like simple, like it is like most small video, you can say, compared to my normal video. It was like 1 hour 11 minutes is smaller because the last video I made on Python part is was of 3 hours. I made it like 1 hour. I will try to make it like more shorter. Okay, like I have habit to like explain things in like a format that it should be like so much understandable. Okay, like if even a person who don't know anything about the Python and all, it should, he should also get about this. That's the reason that I make like some longer videos. And yeah, it became like 1 hour 2 minutes. So let me make you a summary, like in total 1 hour 11 minutes what we have learned. First thing first is AND gate, means it's as into, and multiplication you can say on, and OR gate it's like addition. Just for 191 it is like 1, and XOR gate it is like if they are like same numbers you will get 1, and if they are like opposite numbers you're gonna get 0. Okay, this is raw gate and not gate, in which I got like confused that if you subtract like 191, what happen is yeah, what happens, yeah, you will get like output as 1. Okay, like I was like so confused for this, like still I'm confused about this. And like I'm gonna check, like I'm gonna this statement, don't take it like just search for this, because I'm also gonna search for this, like I'm not sure or so sure about this. Okay, and in not get, what else we have done, we have done that if we give some input, we in this not get we get output as in negative +1. Okay, this, and left shift is like the end digits of two digits, it comes in front, and uh, yeah, you can say that if the digit is like 2. No, 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 you can't say this, you can't say this. Wait a minute, let me check. Yeah, yeah, no, you can't. Like, okay, so yeah, just if the last two digits should come into front. Okay, I was like thinking about something, but no, you can't do that. So yeah, great. The video part is done. One of 14 minutes video. Yeah, now you can like leave the video is just done. I'm just gonna talk like something blah 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 from now. Okay, like first I used to speak in the starting part of the video, but no, not now. From now, what I will do is like I will complete first the important part, and then I'm gonna speak about like myself and all. Okay, because my favorite work is speaking. Like I love to talk. Okay. Um. So what we can talk? We can talk that. I also like learned if else loop and while and for loop. Yeah. And I like. I want to make one video on this, but I don't want to make like so long a video. Like I just want to keep it short. Okay, I hope you're getting it. I want to like keep videos short. I don't want to make like so long videos, so long formats. Okay, and I'm thinking to go live again or just comment like I don't know, like I'm like little bit confused that I have to go live or not. Um, yeah, yes, like yeah, and yeah, my when I used to go live, I used to wear my specs like this. Why I used to do this? Just to not get sleep. Okay, so like you would have saw at the end of time, like at end of my lives, like sometimes I used to go like sleep like this. So just to be awake, what I used to do is I used to wear my specs like this. Okay. So what it used to do is it used to keep me awake. That was the reason that I used to make this. It was like not the like just to be like comment. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to share this with you, so I'm just sharing this. And yeah, I never used my specs in this manner. Okay, like so less. What I used to do is I used to wear like this, or I used to just keep it like this. Okay, like this, and sometimes I used to be like this in this way, and sometimes like this. Yeah, yeah, this way. Sometimes also like I used to keep it like this. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, this, yeah, in this manner. Um, like yeah, like I used to wear my specs in various manners. Like sometimes, like I also wear like my specs like this. Just wait a minute. Yeah, in this way. Yeah, I used to wear my specs also in this way, and in this way. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, in this way. Well, like normally I don't like, I used to not wear like this, and I don't know why. Big like I used to wear this specs in this way because if I used to wear in this way, what used to happen is I used to not get sleep. I don't know the exact reason why I used to not get sleep, but yeah, I used to not get sleep. It used to help me to stay awake. Okay, yeah, like this. Yeah, sometimes also I went like this, not this. Like yeah, this. Yeah, this way. See, I can also like I can easily move with this. Like I have habit of this. Like you can see like I can talk like this for minutes. Okay, see this. Yeah, yeah. This is okay. So it used to be in like in air, just in air. I used to talk like I used to do my work like this, and it is to keep me awake. I know I'm looking like a mad person, just sharing my story of life, like when I used to go live. Why I used to do like that. I'm just sharing the reason, and what else we can do. Like I don't want to close my live like my video this short, because like I have the habit of like 7 hours live, 12 hours live, and 6 hours live, and here and in videos also, like mainly in some video that I have like I have like so much knowledge of, like not so much knowledge, but I have like some basic knowledge about that, and like I'm also not providing the basic knowledge that I have. So yeah, just make me like little bit like this, but no. Yeah, I have said you that I was like at the starting part of the video, I was like so less energetic, right? Like means when I started, I just like what happened is like I went for bed. I was just sleeping, and when I was like I just got slept like this. I got slept, and after going to like sleep, in my mind I got that no, I can't be the person who is keeping some, like who is keeping some target, and is just sleeping. No, like it may be like I'm not giving you any motivation or any quote, I'm just saying it for myself, because like so many less people, like for now, like only I get only like 5 or 6 views randomly. So I have not have any fear to say now, and in future let's see if anyone see these videos. I will just say that then I was a kid, then I used to do this, but now no, not now. I'm not got matured. I just say this, okay. Like still now, when I have done like if I used to done like some activities in my 8 or 9, I just say that when I was a kid. Now I'm not like this, okay. So yeah, let's see in future. But now I will talk with you. So what used to happen is, yeah, I used to sleep in. I just got to bed. It was time. It was like 11. Today I got wake up at 5 or 6, and the day was like totally hectic. You can say like, yeah, that it was like so hectic. So till 11 I was like getting so sleep. I went to bed, and after going to bed, like in my mind I got that no, I can't be the person of that, and I just decided to, I don't know what I'm gonna record. I'm just gonna record the video and I'm just gonna post it. Okay. Then I've started my camera, I've started my computer, I've started my light, and I just started recording. Okay. After starting this recording, what happened is okay, let I think I have that recording part. Let me say you like I will show you now. Okay, in going live, I will show you, and I will just drag for that part. Okay, wait a minute. Is it? Yeah. We could not open. Why we could not open? Bruh. Like it is showing some error in opening this video. Why? I don't. No. Um. Like really, my luck is like so bad. Like I can't open that video that I recorded just now. Oh, I hope this video. Yeah. I got this. I got this. Okay, just give me a minute. let me wait a minute. Yeah, this first. Yeah, let's track for this video. For this I have to also on like my desktop audio. Great, I will do it. Just see my lesson, how less energetic I was. What happened? It is mute, it is not mute. 1 into 2 square, okay, and this is just a 0, or this is with 2 cube, okay. So what we are doing, we are comparing this number, like this is like the same as the rule we have discussed about bitwise operations, like 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, in the same same way. These bits are like this bits got like some values, okay. For this bit the value is like 1, for this bit the value is 2, for this bit the value is 4, for this bit the value is 8, for another 16, and another is 32, okay. And it's a bit logical one, because you see 2 is like, if you divide any number with 2, you're gonna get only 2 values, or else the remainder will be 1 or 0, okay. So you can change like any number into addition of, in the sum of the number, in the sum of 2 powers something, okay. Like just take the example of 99. What is like 99, okay. So 2 power 6 is 64, okay. Now what is the remaining part? The remaining part is 99, and 99 minus 64 is like 65, 4, and 24, 25, okay. X, okay. Let's run this code, and we got our output. I hope it is visible to you. If not, let me make it visible. Simply binary number, like how to convert a normal number. Okay, great. So first we will be discussing about the binary numbers, okay. So let's start with how to convert a binary number, like how to convert a normal number into a binary number, okay. So it has some rules. So first we have to take a number. Let's take 5. So okay, we took 5. We have to divide with it with 2. So you can see how less energetic I was. But yeah, after this, after I noticed that no, I can be like more energetic, I can be like more what we say, I can explain things in more better way. I just thought, and I just stopped that recording, and I just said no, you can do, and just I started recording, and then I got this energy. I just explained. See, I'm just assuming that I have kept my energy equal for the whole part of the video, okay. Like I don't see my own videos, like, because they are like 1 hour 27 minutes. If anyone is like learning them, it may be interesting for them, but if I know this topic and I'm just seeing my lecture, it will be like so boring for me. Like see, for me watching lectures is like so boring, but like I like, my favorite part is like practicals. Like whatever I learn, I just apply it practically. I just make changes in them, and I just add, like I just make it practical, okay. Like I can be like a doll, I can be like a person who just watching the lectures and just watching the lectures, okay. So yeah, this lesson I got from the JEE preparation, that watching lecture is always 20% of your journey, and 80% is just the practical, just the hard work that you're putting in. Okay, like the remaining 80% is how much you're learning, how much you're memorizing, how much you're understanding, how much you can apply practically, how many questions you're doing or you are solving related to the topic. Okay, I'm giving you a common things like everything. Okay, like, and you would have saw my lives, like when I used to saw lectures, when I used to see lectures, what I used to do is like, first, like, see, first starting part of the lecture I will be stiff, then after some time, like, I will go like this, I will go like this, and I will get sleep, and like I will get sleep, and I have saw my life, and one time I got sleep, like keeping my mouth open, and I just got sleep, like I have like no tension that anyone is watching. I'm on camera, on live. I'm just sleeping, and one guy also messaged me at that time, bro. Hi, bro. Like that, yeah, message, and like I was like, my eyes are like closed. The lecture is playing on. My mouth is open, and I just slept. So while watching lectures, it happens like this to me. Like, I am not a person who learn things from watching lectures. I am a person who learn things just by doing up by applying practicals and by making changes in theory part. Okay, like, see, Sarah teached me to convert this 5 into 6, and like 5 we have to add plus 1, this will become negative number. And if you want to check it, first check 6 convert into binary number, and reverse it, like if it is 0, convert it into 1, 1 into 0, and then add 1 to that. And if you add 1 to that, you get like one output, and convert that output into this, what we say. Yeah, I'm trying, wait a minute, just give me a minute. Yeah, convert this 1 into, again 1 into 0, and 0 into 1, and whatever you are getting the output is equal to the input you are given. Okay, this is the whole process. And I just taught to play Uno reverse. Okay, I have taught that. Okay, the let's take 5, or let's take binary format of that, and let's convert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 for this. And there you have to subtract it with 1, and whatever you are getting output, just again convert it to 0 to 1, 1 to 0, like this format, and the final output that you are getting, just post it. Okay, that's the thing. I got it, and that was like so interesting part for me. Yeah, like it went like 1 hour 30 minutes, 31 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 32 minutes. You can check. I don't think like anyone would be watching like still now. Okay. Yeah, anyone would not be watching like still. Yeah, my desktop audio is still on. Wait a minute. Yeah, it is not closed. Okay. So what else we can do now? Like, max of the things are done. Like I'm just doing blah 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 from last 20 minutes. Yeah, like I want to like talk with you like some more time. I have not shown you time. Time is now. It is. Wait a minute. It's 12:47. Yeah, it is visible, right? 12:47. Yeah, 12:47, 12:48. Yeah, 12:48. I've started this at 11:05 and recorded for this 33 minutes, 1 hour 33 minutes. So how much break I took? I took a break of 33 minus 48, 15 minutes break I took. Okay, leave it. 15, no, 15, actually 5 minutes break I've took. And in 5 minutes, I've tried to energize myself. No bro, you can do, no bro, you can do. And I just started. And see, I've tried my level best to keep my energy like in the same way, same pattern for the whole video. And if you think that my energy went down at some point or at somewhere, just mention me that, bro, your energy was down, your energy is like was and like this. Just comment me down. Okay, like it's 12:49 and see the video is whenever I record that video is like not gonna come the same night. Why the video is not gonna come the same night? Because to process this video it take like 6 hours. Okay, so 1 hour to for this OBS studio, 1 hour for the editor in which I edit 1 2 hours, and 1 2 hours to upload it on YouTube. Okay, in the same process I also have to like make thumbnail for that. So for the thumbnail it I have like some under the process. So process. So I whenever I record video I do all this process the next day of the video, and this process get complete till 5, and I upload the video at 5 or 6. Okay, so if I'm doing this on Friday, the video will be on Saturday 6. If I'm recording Saturday, it will be on Sunday 5 or 6. Okay, great. Mm. And when I made my first video, I have done all the process and the same night, and it made me like 6 morning 6 to sleep, and I wake up at 7 or no 5, like I don't know, like I on that day I took only 1 hour sleep. So from that time I'm not doing that. I'm just closing this recording, and that's it. Tomorrow I will do all the other part, editing part. No, I and also I don't edit any part, like I don't cut even one single part. If I feel that I was less energetic, I will make it again. And if I think that I made any mistake, I show it to you. Okay, no, bro, I made your mistake. I take my mistakes, I just improve them, and I try that I don't repeat it again. Okay, so yeah, this is also I'm trying to build in myself. You can say quality or whatever you can, like you can give it a name. Like I have learned this from my teachers. Number one, Ashish sir. Number two, Salim sir. Like whenever they make mistakes, if they are teachers, also teachers, like they obey the mistake. And you're I'm still in my student phase. Like whatever I'm learning, I'm just explaining it to you. So I can't be like so perfect that I can't be like so perfect to you in explaining things, but I I try my level best to explain you it. Okay, like I will try my level best to like to make it like in the simplest form that I can convey it to you, like I can deliver it to you. Okay, see what my motive is. If someone who was like zero in is 12 standard, like he was like zero interested in studies, and he got like little bit interested in his like first year or second year, he should not have like any problem in learning these things out. Okay, so for like my main motive and my main focus are like on those kind of students. Okay, um, okay, and one more thing is like I love this way. Actually, I love to explaining it like in a simplest form. Okay, like I don't want to make you feel like so many complex things. Like I don't want to show you the topic as like so tough, and I don't want to show you that see this topic is like this much tough, and I know that topic. I don't want to do that show off. Okay, I want you to show that every topic is like so easy. Just you should know the small logics behind them, and you should just make small experiments with them. Okay, like if you're getting some topic, just make small experiments with them. Okay, and sometimes my eyes be here and camera be here, so here it is a screen, here it is a camera. That's the reason this angle difference you get. Okay, so while seeing okay, I also see the screen and I also see to you. Like if I just see this, like I feel scary because like here it is like camera and yeah, the total it is like background, and when I see the background, like my thought goes like somewhere else, and I get distracted. But if I see screen, I get the no, I am speaking, I have to speak like something better or something that, so like I do this. Okay, this is also one reason. And you can see that my habit of over explanation. Okay, so yeah, no, why am and my I have like I have so let me convey my like some of the bad habits. Number one is over explanation. How it is bad habit? It is bad habit because like it's bad habit because I explain such things that like which also don't get in use, like which are like also not important, and I repeat things. Okay, the main habit, my main bad habit is like I repeat things. Like if I said something just now, I repeat it again. Like I repeat it again. Like I repeat by mistake. I repeat it like 2 3 times. So I have to like work on that, and yeah, like there are like so many things that I have to work on. Okay, yeah. So the video went like 1 hour 40 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 40 minutes. Great. And I remember I made like a little video at like starting part. So yeah, including that, it will be like 1 hour 45 minutes. I think. Yeah. Yes. And I don't think anyone would be watching like, oh yeah, still yeah. Yeah, no one is gonna watch this part. I just hope, because I was just like speaking like blah 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 blast. Yeah. So if I know that anyone is not gonna watch, why I'm recording this part? I'm just recording this part for my future version because I think I'm gonna get change. I'm gonna get change so fastly. So I just want to give a reminder to my future version that, bro, you were like this, you were like this mad, you were like this confident. If I get by mistake, if I get underconfident for that version, this is just example that how confident I was. Okay, so the ending part, whatever I record, I just record it for my future version. Okay, and in my live sessions also, like I have recorded so many messages for my future version, which is this version, and I think I'm gonna get change. Obviously, I'm gonna get change in positive way in coming 6 months. Okay, in 6 months I will get change in a positive way, and don't know, like for coming 2 3 years I'm not gonna get change in a negative way. I'm just gonna get change in a positive way, and after 2 3 years also I will try my level best to be get change in a positive way. Okay, yeah. Is there anything left out? No, I don't think anything is left out. Like, yeah. So I've said about this future version. I've said about this future version for my future version. Okay. Yes. Great. Okay, 1 hour 43 minutes video. I was just doing blah blah blah. Like 40 minutes, I just did blah blah blah, and 1 hour was like, yeah, good one, good video, type of, yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, great it. Okay, got it. You did it. Chew chick chack. Shaka shaka shack. Chick shack shook. Chick shack shook. Like, see, I will also try to learn singing. Yeah, I will try it. Okay, why I'm like still speaking like, yeah, actually I don't like see the video when like 1 hour 43 minutes. I just want to do like more 15 minutes blah blah blah, and the video will go like 2 hours. It will be like a better clickbait. Like what clickbait I'm gonna make? See, I will say you. I will do that. Learn like get perfect in bitwise operators in just 2 hours. Yeah, yeah. It looks classy. So yeah, like I want to make like cut to cut 1 hour 45 minutes video. I just recorded 15 minutes of that video. I will post it down and I will make it like 2 hours. Yeah, I will do that. Okay, like you can see sleep in my eyes. Like it's like time is it's 1 and I'm getting so much sleep. I don't know why I'm getting this sleep, but if I do this, I my sleep goes out. Like now I can speak for hours and hours. But if I would be watching some lectures, I used to get sleep. Till now I used to get sleep. I used to get faint, and I used to be like fainted. And one time, you know what happened? Like I was in live, just I don't know what happened. I just thought that I will sit here, and when I sat here, I got sleep. Just I got slept. I don't know how, but I just sat over here. Like I just sat over here, and like I just slept, and I wake up that after like 1 or 2 hours, it would have happened. And after getting like wake up of 1 2 hours, like it was like I was like not feeling that I slept 1 2 hours. For me it was like just 5 to 10 minutes. Like when I got, it was like just for me it was like just getting faint. Like I also not like noticed that I got like faint, right? Like I just sat and I got slept. Like it was like so scary for me that I just got sad and I just slept out. Okay, 1 hour 46 minutes. Still, I'm speaking like a mad guy. I don't know why I speak this much. I just love speaking. I just love talking. Also, it become like so irritating. Like so many people get irritated from me because I just talk. Like I talk for hours, and it's also not that I'm talking like something important. I'm saying that how I got faint, and I'm saying like this. See, I used to wear specs like this. I'm just saying something blah blah blah, and that too for minutes, like 40 minutes, 46 minutes. So yeah, this also make me so much irritating. Like for some persons, if anyone meet me like personally, like I just irritate them out in just 5 to 10 minutes. They will be like, "Bye, bro. Bye, bye. We will meet you again." Okay, like yeah, that is also one bad habit in me that I irritate so much. I have to change that. I'm trying to like I'm trying to talk less nowadays. Okay, I'm trying to be like calm, just like a very serious student. You see, like I've saw like I was like not always good at studies. So when I was like very bad at studies, I saw like toppers. What they do is they just sit silently and they just listen to teacher, like they're getting everything. Okay, like after listening to teacher, they just be silent. They don't talk to anyone. They be silent and they do their work and they go to home. Oh yeah, and after going home, I don't know what they do after going home, but I've like most probably I've saw in every topper to be silent. So like I don't want to be topper, but I want to be good at studies. So and also I've listened this quote like what we say, like who is full of knowledge he don't make noise, and who is empty of knowledge he make noise. Like I converted a hindi code into english. Okay, so sometimes I think that I am the guy with empty knowledge, like with I'm the empty vessel that who don't know anything. That's the reason I make so much noise. It may be a reason, like still I'm in learning stage. You can say that, yeah, I'm an empty vessel that makes so much noise. It better to be an empty vessel. Like I can be like silent, like sitting at one place, thinking of something, doing something of my own work. No, I can't be that person. I'm the person who like just do practical experiences, do some things, and see this practical word. I think I've used this like 5 to 6 times in this video. Yeah, I also love to recognize my mistakes, like on mistakes I'm doing, like okay, and I just try to improve them out. Okay, yeah. So one mistake is also this, that I what the mistake was. Yeah, I over repeat things. Okay, and also irritating one. Yeah, irritating, like so irritating person I am. Okay, the 1 hour 50 minutes is done, and more 5 minutes. More 5 minutes. What we can talk of? See, for 1 hour 50 minutes also, I can give this thumbnail of 2 hours, like get perfect in bitwise operators. And I'm just saying you in advance, if anyone is like seeing my videos, whatever I'm going to put my thumbnail, it is just a clickbait, or like not gonna get perfect. Like you can't get perfect in anything just seeing 2 hours or 1 hours. You have to be like you should do like so much of practice for hours, for years to get perfect in something. Okay, like not for years but for hours, at least for hours. Okay, like you can't be like just seeing the lecture and just saying I got this perfect. No, I got the perfect in this. No, you can't be. And just is, yeah, you only like a little better, like a little better version of yourself. Okay, like say before seeing this video, you would have like zero knowledge about bitwise operators. After seeing this video, you got a little bit of knowledge. Okay, like just increase that knowledge with practical experience, just doing your experiments, like just making some changes in the theory that I have taught you, and try it out, like run that code and see what happens. Okay, and third, you can also use ChatGPT to learn new topics. Like ChatGPT is helping a lot in learning new topics. Just go and ChatGPT and just ask him. Oh yeah, and also what you can do is in YouTube, like you have like so much of free resources, like free code camp. Simply learn why I'm saying my competition names, because I can't give them competition. Just is like they say so much fast, I just say so slow, so they also don't get in count of my competition. Okay, so I'm just using their names. Okay, yeah, and now I'm getting like so sleep. Like why I'm doing this, you know the reason why I'm doing this. Okay, and whenever I do this, it also look like little bit glassy. Shh. Okay, 1 hour 52 minutes. Yeah, I'm still getting sleep. Let me see. Oh, this. Wait a minute. Oh, that video was like only of 1 minute, so I have to make this of 1 hour 58 minutes. No, I'm not gonna make it like for 1 hour 58 minutes. What we can do? We can close this video. I don't want to close this. I want to complete like 2 hours. Um, and let's discuss something else. What else I can discuss? Like everything related to me, most of the things I've said, and so many things. Um, like what else I can say? Like it's nothing. Yeah, hunting improved in me in this long term is my confidence is on next level. Like I don't know how I'm getting this confidence. Like see, like before this drop here, I was like so silent guy, just watching other people, what they are doing. Now I became the guy who everyone who seem like what I'm doing nowadays. It's like making like praising yourself, but I love praising myself. Okay, in J profession also I learned that like no one is gonna come to praise you, like you have to praise yourself. Bro, you're doing great, just continue it. Yeah, like I praise it myself like this. So yeah, before JE I was the person who was like so underconfident, who can't speak in front of people, who don't know his own, like in which state I live, like Telangana. I don't know yeah, Telugu properly. And like if I know little bit of Telugu, I also not used to use that basic Telugu, and in fact I used to ignore the people who used to try to. And I will share one funny incident with you. What happened in 8th standard? One guy tried to just talk to me after completing the class. What I've done is I've just went to like our floor in charge, and I have complained on that guy that he's disturbing me. Just imagine that. Okay, so yeah, I was like that introvert. Okay, like if even anyone used to try to talk to me, I just used to complain on him that he's trying to disturb me. Okay, so from that guy becoming a guy who irritate the people like with his talks. Okay, I have to also I have to not be like that, I am irritating people with my speeches, with my talks. I have to not be like that. But see, I got sudden change. So from shifting my sudden change to normal change, like it may take some time. So yeah, where I was, what changes I got in JE? Yeah, another change I got is like, see, I'm sitting from last 2 hours before JE preparation, sitting with a book. Me, impossible. Like one day, what was I will share one incident with you. Like next day, it was my board exams. I was playing like business game. Okay, like total day I played like till night 11. Okay, and total year I've just did time pass. I've not studied anything. I was just doing time pass total year. It was my 11th standard story. So total year I did time pass. Next day is my board exam. I don't know that I'm gonna get pass or fail, and I'm just playing business game. Okay, with my younger brother till night 11. And at night 11, like he used to make me study. Bro, study, you will get fail. Then I used to sit barely. I used to sit like we get like some small bullet books. You can search for it. Like the bullet books, like you will get like 50 important, like 150 important questions. I was so lazy that I just studied 50 questions, and my luck was like so good. I got on that questions from that 50 questions, and in that also I made blunder. Then I got like 88 percentage. Like I just managed it all. I just that was like total luck based exam. Okay, my 11th, my luck helped me. In 10th, it was like lockdown. Again, my luck helped me. And in 12th, what happened is in 12th, 12th, you can see again my luck helped me out. Okay, so in 12th, what happened? In 12th, like um Like what happened in 12th. In 12th also, like my attendance was like so weak. It was like just 20% attendance. Okay, remaining 80% I not went college, and just before the exam I just bought bullet books and I just studied, and I don't know how I got passed. Like I passed like with 84 percentage. Like God helped me out in the exams. So till 12th, like in studies I was like so weak. So yeah, this day preparation also helped me with the studies. Like now I can study some topic for 5 to 6 hours continuously. I got this with my J preparation. It is like more than enough for me. This skill is more than enough for me. And one more skill that I developed in myself is speaking continuously about some topic. Like see, I was speaking continuously about Python. I was speaking continuously about self development. Like whatever I'm talking, it is related to self development, right? And improving this thing is also good. Like yeah, like what else improved in my improved in me. You can say like yeah, this are the main changes that I got. That change I got is like yeah, one bad change I got is I became so irritating. Like first I was a person who is signal, and now I am the person who is irritating. So I have to be in middle. Like I went in both the manners. I went in extreme version. Like I have to be like little bit in the middle version, I think. Yeah, I should be in like little bit middle version. I will work on that. Yeah, what else? Okay, yeah, done. 2 hours is done. I'm just closing the video. Thank you so much for watching my video.